Hello YouTube, this is my bike check. Starting from the top, got some GT long necks, GT grip long necks, bar end there, same with the other side. Got a back brake there, gyro, GT stem and GT bars, quite small bars, they'll do. GT Vertigo forks with a front wheel, back brake goes down there. Yeah, GT frame, diamond back seat, it's not a pivotal. Metal GT pedals, getting new white ones soon. GT crank and sprocket, 36 tooth, GT chain. That's pretty much it. And the back wheel. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Bye.